All right, guys, we are back. Time to roll out that recipe here on a Trini Cooks Thursday. And this morning, Mother's May, we have the Salazars here with us this morning, Cecelia and her mom, Barbara. We are taking a recipe from our cookbook that we did a year ago almost, yeah. It's called the sorrel jelly muffins.
That sounds
And,
great.
and what we did
Sounds good.
here was we added a sorrel jelly into the muffin. So we're changing it up just a little bit this morning. The recipe is in the cookbook, and of course you can get it on trinicooks.com. But the recipe this morning, we are doing a saltfish
Saltfish.
muffin.
Saltfish
This
muffin.
is
That's a
this
new
is a
one.
Nice and Spicy brand. It's a local brand, local lady that's bottling her saltfish, so you don't have to
Good for her. You bottle your saltfish. We love that.
bottle your
We will
saltfish.
buy it.
And another local brand, it's Delmano's guava jelly. This is the real thing.
Yeah. Great.
You used to do guava jelly long time and guava cheese.
Everything.
Barbara used to make all the guava things. We had a guava tree.
You had a guava tree in the yard. Everybody had a guava tree in the yard.
Yeah, what happened to them?
What happened to the guava trees?
What happened to the guava trees?
I'm
What
not-
happened? Where they gone?
My grandfather had a guava tree in his
We all had guava trees.
And a
what
cherry.
happened?
A
And a
guava
cherry.
and a cherry tree for sure.
and of course mango.
Yeah, for sure, mango. We all had that.
What happened to the trees?
I don't know. Now we have to go and buy it. That's really sad.
But this is
I have a little mango tree.
this is as close as possible to the real thing long time.
Fantastic.
Yeah, guava jelly. So that's what we're gonna put in the muffins, guys. Cecilia, the thing is that you told me that you don't do flour anymore.
I don't do flour and sugar.
Tell us about why you not. Why you
No,
don't.
I just,
as
you
pour the flour,
I
a
have
cup
no,
of flour.
Yes, a cup of flour. I have no problems with it. I just decided to eliminate all processed things from my
Right.
diet
Yeah.
because I broke my ankle.
Okay.
I have a steel plate and 6 screws or 7. Anyway, I didn't want to lie down at home and just get fatter and fatter.
Right.
And I couldn't lose a lot of weight even though I was exercising. So I just cut out anything processed.
Right, because you couldn't move much on
Couldn't
the
move
ankle.
much, and I just stuck with it. After you do something for 3 months, it could become a habit.
Right, so you're just not done
No,
flour.
No,
All right.
I will occasionally a birthday,
Yeah.
maybe have a little, a
You
little.
come on cup of Joe.
Yeah, come on
and
cup of
yeah,
Joe's,
yeah,
a
yeah.
special
You're
morning,
cooking for
Mother's
mom.
Day,
Yeah.
how are we gonna do that?
Yeah.
So, but mostly, and corn flour is great. That's corn flour.
Cornmeal. This is
Cornmeal, yeah, no, I will use cornmeal
Yeah,
for
so
sure.
so we adding all the dry ingredients here.
Great.
I have sugar.
Yes, go ahead.
Right, I'm
I
following.
think everything in moderation.
Everything in
I
moderation.
realize I'm an extreme kind of person, so when I cut it out, I cut it out.
You cut it all
But I
altogether.
think you can moderate. I
Yeah.
take a lot of recipes where they call for sugar and I choose honey, or where they call for flour. I
And you
make my
can't do
own
that.
oats.
And
yeah.
you can't do that. You
can't
can
do
you
that.
can do replacements. You
Exactly.
can do
There's so many
replacements.
replacements.
This is baking powder, guys. We're just
baking.
adding about 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And just about a pinch of salt. I pinch a little big. I have a big pinch.
The dry ingredients.
So I am doing
So
the
I'm supposed to do the wetting
because
now?
I am now saying I am
You're
you
fast,
making
fast.
me you
All
make
right,
it.
so this is, how much is
That's
this?
milk with a little bit of vanilla essence.
Put in one time. Great
Yes.
idea, folks.
Milk, vanilla essence, all the
So two.
measurements. That's
You
2
beat it up
eggs.
first?
Yes,
Yeah.
give it nice little whisk.
I love this. I want to cook show. I've never been on one before.
Yes, mix up
Especially with my mother. We're making history, as you say.
So Barbara never appeared with you on television,
no,
on stage. Wow.
Never, wow.
I feel honored.
And this is lemon.
That's butter. So
Oh,
that's
butter,
melted butter.
butter.
So that's
Right,
melted
right.
butter.
Yeah,
All
I do
goes
that
in
with
there.
my muffins too.
Yeah,
I don't
very
know why.
good.
Why do you melt the butter? Do you know why?
Because you can't put it in hard.
It's true. Then you have to mix it like
Yeah,
a cake and all
that
of that.
just
It's a
seems to be the
different
easy
thing.
answer.
I
Yeah, that
think
just
so.
seems to be
I
the
think
easy
it
answer.
makes sense.
Yeah?
Okay. So
So
the
your
wet and the dry
the wet
come
and the
together.
dry as one.
Mommy can make bakes, and Mommy, what do you make baking? When we were small, we used to bake bread, and gosh, where we don't find the time to do these
To
things
do these
anymore.
things, where did our mothers
I
find
don't
the
know.
I
time?
don't know.
Sometimes I look back, I
Pour it.
wonder.
Pour it in. Let's
But
go.
I have dabbled.
Yeah.
When I had Stella, my last daughter,
Yeah. All
when I had
good.
Stella, my last daughter, I was home
Yeah.
and I started to bake bread.
You started to dabble a bit.
Yeah, I started to dabble and bake bread and try different, baking
And I
recipes.
think because you have 3 daughters, Cecilia. So I mean, once, and I think Barbara could attest to that. Once you have children, then
Yeah.
you recognize the need You can't be buying food all the time.
No. And also, because so many things out there are processed, you want your children to eat healthy.
Eat healthy.
So my little one in school, they have healthy Tuesdays and healthy Thursdays.
Right.
So what am I going to send? I can't send a pack of this and of that. So we make our own muffins.
They do that in school?
Yeah, healthy Tuesday
that's
and
fantastic.
healthy Thursday.
That's fantastic.
Right? So
That's
we
fantastic.
make our own muffins with
Yeah.
bananas and honey and oats and stuff. And she loves it because she makes it with me. So.
Can you guide me here? You think this is you make muffins all the time?
Yeah. No,
How
mix
this
a
looking?
little more.
Mix
now.
a little more.
I've seen a little white.
You seen a little white?
Flour in there.
You know.
You know what you need?
What I
You
need?
need something mixing power. What I'm to use for, sir? Could have a mix master and mix it so.
She's showing off now.
No, I like to do this because I figure I also get a little exercise. You see, while you're mixing, see how smooth it's getting? And your arms are also getting some exercise.
Look at it.
Isn't that good?
It's good now.
See, you don't need a mix master.
No.
I seriously know, folks. This is what I do at home, really and truthfully. Try to do it with the other arm now. All right, good.
So let's go.
I think you're good now.
We're spooning.
All right, we're spooning. Well, I need a spoon. Oh, I get a spoon too.
You
Good.
get a
Let's
spoon
go. Let's
too.
go. Let's
Yeah.
go.
When do you put in the jam? Halfway.
Right. So after. No, we'll show you after.
Oh,
so let's
yes,
go.
that I
So
have to see.
you handle a roll,
Well,
I
I
handle a
saw
roll.
a trick,
Yeah.
and which I use now is those ice cream scoops.
Yeah.
It's
gosh,
such a
no.
good idea.
No, it is.
But you hardly see those scoops anymore. I had to hunt them down.
You have to hand them down.
And I
because
got one. Oh shit! You see,
you're
now we
making
make
mess.
a mess.
You're making
Yes.
mess. But you don't need half. We just topping it up about halfway
Okay.
because it will obviously the baking
it's good.
powder. The baking powder will puff it up nicely.
Okay.
And
Oh, it's nice.
And to answer
It's
Barbara's
sweet. The
question.
cornmeal makes it lovely.
Yeah, there's a little sugar in there as well.
Oh, well,
yeah.
that's why. I forgot what sugar tastes like.
There's a little sugar in there as well.
I like the cornmeal. I like the idea of the cornmeal.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want me to talk about my upcoming projects?
So what upcoming projects you have? As you. So what upcoming projects do you have?
I just remember I'm working on a documentary.
Wow.
A documentary with you're not finishing them.
Let's because Mom wants to see how the saltfish and the
Okay,
and the
let's
and the
do it
jelly.
before
So
time runs out.
Yeah, time runs out.
All
you know.
right. I'm working on a documentary called Drama Queens.
Drama queens. And
Drama
you
queens.
are a drama
yes,
queen.
I am.
You are literally a drama
yes,
queen.
I am of Trinidad and Tobago. I
Yeah.
think so, and it's following 4 actresses in Penelope Spencer, myself, Roma Spencer, and Leslie Ann Levine. So it's following us as we go through our lives and showing what it takes to be a female in the theatre industry in
Wow.
Trinidad. And she's aligning us to folklore characters. So it's bringing in, the Amber Tyler woman, the Grand Dame, bringing in characters, folklore characters
right.
for each woman and tying it in. It's going to be a lovely project.
Wow,
So I'm
wow.
doing it with
And
Pauline Mark.
Pauline, I know,
WTM
yes.
Productions.
I know Pauline is doing
So
some
we're going to be
fantastic
filming
stuff.
that soon. So
So
even
it-
though there's lots of things going on in Trinidad right now.
And we just need to highlight it sometimes. So here what we're doing. A little spoonful, give me a half spoonful, and I am just dotting here and just kind of getting it down in there.
Oh,
So when it gets down in there, when it bakes,
Yeah.
Barbara, it will just infuse the entire muffin
As it rises.
As it rises.
And when you put the jelly, now
same
too?
thing, same thing. So you put the jelly will, you saw the picture in the cookbook?
Yeah.
Or the jelly
So the
just
jelly's
cut?
on top. It's
No,
two,
no, no,
it's
no,
two
no.
different ones. I
If
thought,
you want to get
I thought saltfish
yes.
and guava jelly would have been a
Would have
tough, too much for
It'll be
one
a little too
palate.
much, a little too much. So you're going there. You're going
But you
there.
never know these days. eh?
No, you
This
can
is
never
such
know.
a good idea.
Yes,
I am
so-
so going to make
So let's
these
do
now.
these 3,
Yes, let's do these.
and we will
like
finish
this
them off, get them
This is
down.
Such a good idea. I also teach drama in schools, and
Yeah,
I'm
you were
working
telling
on
us about that.
I'm working on adult drama classes as well with
So it's
Mervyn
not-
Digoj.
So it's not too late for me to learn
No,
drama?
it's not for you late for you to join. We're doing
It's
a
just,
good.
can I remember the lines is my problem.
You will, trust me, you will.
Can I
Because
remember
the
the
lines
lines?
come from a place. The lines come from a character. I was trying to make them look like hearts. That one kind of came out.
That one came
eh?
out, yeah.
See?
Love for mommy.
for mommy.
Yeah, love for mommy.
Trying to make
Nice.
them,
Love for mommy.
and to design them.
Love for mommy.
Love for
Yeah.
Couple Joe. Look
Love
how
for
cute
Couple
they are.
Joe. Yeah, not the best hearts in the world, but mommy, you know the thought
thought
that
has
counts.
counts.
Yes, we're doing that.
We are going to continue rolling out these muffins. We're going to bake them for just about 15 to 20 minutes and not long. And then when we come back, we will have Barbara do the taste test. And just in case you want to taste, because I know it has some flour in there.
Yeah, it's
Well, you-
Muffins Day.
it's mu-
We'll try it. And I like the cornmeal and the saltfish. It has plenty plus zizz as well.
Mother's May on a Cup of Joe. We have Cecelia and Barbara Salazar here, mother and daughter, celebrating with us this morning. Come on back, folks. We're doing muffins, saltfish and guava jelly muffins. Thank you very much. Do come on back. We will taste up right after this.